Hi, I'm Olive from Olive to Craft, and today we're making marble dye eggs for Easter! Ta-da! Ta-da! Things you're going to need are shaving cream, a container, food coloring, a stick or a straw, and a sharp pencil works too. And last but not least, some eggs. Since my brother is allergic to eggs, we bought some fake ones at Target. Step 1. You get your shaving cream and shake it, then cover the bottom of the container with it. Da 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 da, it's going up. Step 2, I brought an assistant, and his name is Rocket. Meow. And he's gonna help me put the food coloring in. We each have 2 colors because we have 4 total. So we're gonna add a few drops of each color into the shaving cream. Good. So we're lightly gonna drag our stick across the shaving cream because if you mix it, then it'll mess up all the colors. So lightly drag it. Lightly drag it. You're funny. This can get pretty messy, so you're either gonna want to put a plastic cover under or do it outside. So now we're gonna lightly lightly roll the eggs in the shaving cream dye. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, to roll mine. Now we're gonna put our finished eggs right here. My hands are messy. I'm just gonna keep doing it. Wow. Roll the eggy, roll the eggy. The eggy. Okay, roll it, roll it, roll it. I'm gonna do. Oh wow, my hands are the eggs, and they have cool patterns. I'm gonna just oh my gosh, that's so much. I'm just gonna roll it. Thumbs up to the video. Many thumbs up. Our hands are. Look at my job. Marbleizer thumbs ups because then they'll look cooler. Look, tiny thumbs up. I'm just gonna rub my hands on the egg. Now I'm gonna do the final egg. Donna. I'm just gonna do it on this side because there's not that much shaving cream. I'm gonna just shake it a little. Put it in. Yeah, we're done. Look at our hands. I look like a sea monster because my hands look like a cool color. Thumbs up the video again. Now that we finished dyeing our eggs, we're gonna go inside and wash up and then play for an hour while the colors do their thing. And look at my hands. Look at my hands. And see what it looks like. What? It looks like a rainbow under. Look at my hands. Wait. I'm Hulk Rainbow. What? After we finished playing, we wiped off the eggs with a paper towel, and now they're done. And look at the cool eggs! Cool. This one looks like a rainbow. Da 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 da. Thanks for watching. Now get your craft on and get your happy on and have a crafty Easter. Bye! Easter egg covered the camera. Happy Easter!
Ow!
I'm gonna try to juggle Easter eggs. Okay. Okay. Ready? I'm a sea monster. My hands are gonna be so green. Look at the hand!
Oh boy. You guys are going to be green forever.
Get out of it.
You look like a car wash.
Oh wow, my hands are.
And now we will learn how to marble dye shirts.
Hey kids, what are you making?
A mess! I'm gonna get you.
What are you doing?
Let's blow this up. Literally. I need to practice cartwheel.
Hey, that's pretty good. What are you going to...